In primetime news this evening, country records lowest number of murders in 2 decades. On track, new children's hospital in the West on target for completion in August. And row over the use of a gas station by operators of public passenger vehicles.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious. Later we will have the financial week, but Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's coming up in sports.
Thank you very much, Janella. 9 Jamaicans are down to compete at the second leg of the Diamond League Series for this year. We'll tell you more tomorrow. The meet is tomorrow. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And to tell us what's coming up in the weather, here's Romain Robinson.
Thanks, Giovanni. We did have some very heavy showers affect sections of eastern parishes earlier this afternoon. We are expecting more of those showers and isolated thunderstorms to continue into the weekend and into next week as well.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the proposed legislation to increase penalties for murder?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.